Hello everyone, in this video we'll demonstrate how we are going to create a chart and bind it to a dashboard. Throughout this video we'll be using our Devum low-code platform to bring our scenario to life. You'll see firsthand how the platform's features make it easy to create and bind charts, allowing you to quickly visualize your data. Here, we'll be showing the number of leaves taken by a specific employee based on the leave type. For example, when I click on Ashok, the chart instantly updates to show his leave data. You'll see a breakdown of how many casual leaves, CL, earned leaves, EL, or other types of leaves he's applied for in a given month. While the data binding handles the connection, we'll still need to create the logic that tells the chart what information to display. The logic for this is handled by a domain service, which we'll cover in our next video. For this video, though, our focus is on the front end. We'll show you how to simply drag the chart onto the dashboard and bind it to the data, so you can see the results populate instantly. Therefore, we go to Chart section and drag a pie chart to our canvas. We've added the pie chart to the dashboard. Now, let's arrange it for the best fit. To do this, click on the chart and go to the Properties panel. From there, you can adjust the width and height and check the Fit Container checkbox to ensure it fits perfectly within the container. With the chart positioned, let's connect it to our data. Click on the chart and open the Properties panel. Then choose Data Source and click on Add Data Source to bind your data to the chart. Go ahead and select the domain service from the list. We've already got one set up for this example, but don't worry. We'll show you the full process of adding and configuring your own domain service in one of our upcoming videos. Let's select our data source. We'll click on the domain service from the list. Now, follow these steps. From the service, select Leave Type-Based Pie Chart. Finally, for the method, select HR. Once that's done, click Add Data Source. After this is done, we will click on to Add Parameter. Now we're going to map our data. Select Employee ID and click on Map. The reason we do this is to create a connection. By mapping the employee ID, we're telling the chart to filter the data. So, when you click on an employee's name, the chart knows to populate with their specific leave information. Basically, to ensure the chart displays the correct data, we're passing the employee ID of the selected employee. Here's how we'll do that. Select the ID field from the employee data and choose Map. Now that the chart is in place, let's complete the local binding. Right-click on the chart and select Data Binding. In the pop-up panel, for the X-axis, select Leave Type Name. For the Y-axis, select Leave Type Name and Leave Type Count. Finally, for color, select Leave Type Color to differentiate each section of the chart. To finish the binding, we'll select the colors for our leave types. Once that's done, you can close the pop-up. Now, whenever you click on an employee's name, the chart will automatically populate with their specific leave details. If you notice, our pie chart is sitting a little low and isn't using the available space efficiently, we can easily optimize its layout. First, select the chart to open the Properties panel on the right. Then we'll remove the legends to give the chart more room. Watch how the chart instantly expands and centers itself, neatly filling the entire container to create a more polished look. We have successfully created our pie chart and bound it to the dashboard. The chart now dynamically displays the number of leaves taken by a specific employee, categorized by leave type. All that's left now is to publish our changes. Once the publish is complete, our application will be updated and ready to use. Thank you.